I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left
AFF Cup 2024 telah berjalan beberapa hari. Sebagian tim nasional yang ada di grup A maupun grup B sudah menjalani 2 pertandingan. Selebihnya, masing-masing timnas masih baru 1 kali bertanding. Adapun timnas yang sudah menjalani 2 laga di grup A, seperti Malaysia, Kamboja, dan Timor Leste. Sedangkan Thailand dan Singapura masih 1 main. Sementara di grup B, timnas yang sudah bertanding 2 kali yakni Indonesia, Myanmar, dan Laos. Vietnam dan Filipina masih baru menjalani 1 pertandingan.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean?
Berikut klasemen sementara AFF Cup 2024 hingga tanggal 12 Desember 2024.
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Demikian cuplikan klasemen sementara AFF Cup 2024. Jangan lupa subscribe channel YouTube Vlog Jurnalis Kutaraja, catatan seorang jurnalis.